If you need to cancel a pending transfer on PureOS 2026, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Access the transfer interface. Open the PureOS application where the transfer was initiated. Navigate to the section that displays your pending transfers, usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 2. Locate the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the transfer. Click on the transfer you want to cancel to view its details. This will typically bring up more information about the transfer, including the amount, recipient, and status. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Look for a cancellation option, which may be labeled as cancel, abort, or something similar. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Confirm your decision to finalize the cancellation. You should receive a notification indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on PureOS 2026. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the application or reach out to customer support for assistance.